Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tea Time Laugh with Tiinashe.
Yo, what's up guys? What's up? Are you good?
Yes.
Yeah, bro. Ni chandonyi ngofara nje ndika taura mo amanda say mama responder because you guys have no reason at all to hate me. I'm not even your president. Whatever is going on in your life is not my fault. Yeah, so Madi. Yeah. A lot of people want to know like, why is it that we're get one more son Madi and stuff fancy? It doesn't make sense, like the greeting and all. And I've always told people, you can teach more son of Madi. Like it's a question. Like Madi, you say Madi. But I say, why? Some people ask me that no, this is Zimbabwe, we're a Christian nation. And Madi, it's simply biblical. Why do I say so? Exodus, Moses, at some point in time, the children of Israel were given something that they did not understand. They went to Moses, they asked him, Moses, what is this? And then Moses said, yes, what is this? What is this? Yeah. And with that being said, I think we need to have a greater appreciation of the guys, but much who gave names to the things that we use today. People who gave names to my road, my body parts. For example, Tiinashe, this is an ear, and this is an eye. The people who are up my stairway, they should be appreciated. Imagine if this part of the body runs in there. No, like seriously. Swanzi kuchukoro, it was something common kunzi muskana nenda kuno mangara kuti the certain body parts in my females which are the bad. So imagine muskana chino mangara kuti Tiinashe ida says what madam the Tiinashe ida says what and buttons here. Yay! Was and buttons here. When people want to kabebuka which is angachifamana kabebuka shanda ndipamana nakanya sokabata nzee. Like that's the essence of it. Like we should appreciate the way things were actually named. The one who yeah. Speaking of names as well, someone was like, yo, Tiinashe, me, I've been having a hard time on my streets. Like people, I can be introduced, like I attend an event. So, ladies and gentlemen, Tiinashe, and then people might want to panic. Recently, why? Because recently there's another Tiinashe who has been trending, and the Tiinashe, Tiinashe pakanzi, Tiinashe, vanautofunga kuti Tiinashe mukambera rwewe. Vanonga kufunga kuti ndiwo madhiene vakuti shit atakuzobatwa manje. Of which I'm not that Tiinashe, I'm not the Tiinashe DNA guy, I'm Tiinashe comic. So that's the something we should take into consideration because I am Tiinashe the comedian, not the other Tiinashe. And then someone asks, how are you dealing with it? No man, small because it's very easier. People are assuming that my name is Tiinashe Mugabe. Then growing up, knowing deep down in my heart, could know Tiinashe Manyowa. But like, I must find out second. So I find out and then me having such a surname, like imagine having surname Manyowa with grade 4. And I'm with grade 4. You don't actually understand. This is not his fault. It wasn't my decision to have such a name. Like, then I have a question. Pipe one must sit like Sekuru and Sekuru. He was given a chance to like pick a name for yourself, like of anything. Ana Munyarat, like Ana Moyo, and then of all the things, my great grandfather was like, of all the decisions he could have made. We have people what I don't see. Let's take the scenario. Moon was named like the way we give people nicknames, like you and then we call him Monday. Yes. And then your great grandson inherits that name, like Monday. I don't know. Ken Monday. And then we have people they saw wow, this guy I'm gonna kuvima ubanzi muvimi, and then the bloodline yachonga kunzi kwana muvimi ana Tiinashe muvimi. And then we have people wakaita mari back then, like they made a fortune, and then they did a lot of things. They did agriculture, they did mining, and they did not really understand like what was the source of their wealth, and then they just asked and said, Tapuma ne. Then people were like, okay, Tapuma ne. Right now, Muzukuru Aganga Jones can vote. Kudakwashe Tapuma ne. And you know, Chinjo Takata Mbirinacho. Into Vanona, Saka, Sekua Munini. Pavakaton's manual. It's a question. How did things get to this point, like today in India? And for that reason, I think that's the reason why I had a hard time finding a girlfriend, because girls, that's kind of very futuristic. Like she sees you, she looks at you, she says, "This guy, will he be able to sustain me? Will he be able to cater my needs?" And then anoda kuzosekerwa vana kuchikoro vachinzi manyowa ndiani. Saka papa vaona musikana asina anofunga zvepadhuze anobata hama opportunity nditori muna right ndonikumana ari better pane vazhinji vari muno. But yeah, that's the whole thing. That's how it goes. And then people like you must stay akaboku. You know, I believe there's certain names that came even up to now. Titles were inbred, but then those names came from basic assumptions. Have you ever asked yourself why? What happened from the translation from track to gonyet? Like the transition, because it's called a gate, and people call it gate. It's mulberries, it's called mahabros. Like you can actually notice with the word transition. And then we have truck, ne gonyet, one. And then I looked into it, and then I actually discovered something. Back then, in early 90s, early 20th century, they came. My first days aware, my huge trucks. It was harvest season. So what was happening was, right, kana mapedza kurima. Vaunganza zvinhu zvavo zvaisiswa mutraki, and then zvoita se so transport kuenda ku Afrika kuenda ndi. So this was the day murungu akasvika. He got there, he met the guys. So one truck had went, and then the second truck had to go. He wasn't sure whether the truck had actually transported the stuff, and then he asked, "Hello guys, has this truck gone yet?" And then the people were like, I said, "Has this truck gone yet?" He went to the truck, and then he held the truck. Ladies and gentlemen, has this truck gone yet? She goes, "Whoa, gone yet." And then up to now, people just embrace, they call it gonyet. Now, yet it's actually gone yet. Like, has this truck gone yet? Taking another assumption that we have embraced as a nation. Like, this is the biggest assumption that has been embraced worldwide. Like, have you ever asked yourself why our continent is called Africa? Let me tell you the story of Africa. The first explorers came to a continent. They did not know the name of the land. They met a group of people. There was a family, a grandfather, with his few grandchildren, one son. He went there. They approached them. It was 2 of them. They approached them. They wanted to know, like, they were exploring the land, and then they were like, "Hi, hello. My name is John Smith, and this is my brother Stan Smith." They did not understand because they vachangotanga kandu varungu vakatanga kuona vakaramba kunyarara zvikanzi John Smith. Would like to ask, what is the name of this continent? Sekuru erepo vatarisa mukadzi wavo vaifunga kuti hanzwisisa mukadzi wavo bva vatovhunza kuti hanzi chii, and then he looked at his wife vaona ari kubuda anga nemadziwa, like anga aitotaura in such a way you could actually notice ari madziwa zvikanzi hanzi chii, hanzi furai madziwa. And then we were going to say, and she came back. I said, what is the name of this continent? Sorry. And then we were but but much good. And then they asked one more time, "Excuse me, sir, what is the name of this continent?" My boy, Hansi Furaimatsiwa. Boy, what? Africa! Africa, then they had, they were like, oh, Africa! That's when they went back. They went to the continent power. They were sitting, Baturum Parliament, they were like, ladies and gentlemen, members of the jury, we've discovered a new place for our economic expansion. It's a very nice place with good minerals, and it's called Africa. Africa derived from Africa. So yeah, we live in a lot of assumptions. So a lot of people have been talking about lately. I mean, I like living a life in a lot of suspense. I like living people suspended. And then this other day we were home, like Tiinashe and Ambuya. She was like, Tiinashe, the problem with you is that I will see polite. You like walking away. It's now never. You're like, those are it.